Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel SM Wisdom. Friends, we often think of no as a negative word, but it can actually be one of the most empowering tools at our disposal. Saying no doesn't mean you're being difficult or unkind. In fact, there are particular circumstances where it's the best response you can give. I have identified 8 key situations where saying no might actually be the healthiest option for you. It's not about being stubborn or confrontational. It's about understanding and asserting your own boundaries. So, let's unravel these 8 life scenarios where saying no is not just okay, but it's the best thing you can do for yourself. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to empower yourself with the confidence to say no when it truly matters. Let's get started and learn how to take control of our lives by making mindful choices. Number 1. When it's a matter of self-respect. Respect. It's a simple word, but it holds a lot of weight, especially when it comes to your own self-respect. Psychology often emphasizes the importance of maintaining one's self-respect. It's about knowing your worth and setting boundaries that protect your emotional and mental well-being. There are times when people or situations may demand more from us than we're comfortable giving. These could be in the form of unrealistic expectations, unreciprocated efforts, or even actions that disregard our values and principles. In such instances, saying no is not just an option, it's the best response you can give. This doesn't mean you're being selfish or unkind. It simply means you're honoring your self-worth and standing up for yourself. Number 2. When it goes against your personal beliefs. As someone who's spent years studying and learning from Buddhism, I've learned the importance of staying true to one's personal beliefs. Our beliefs, values, and principles are the backbone of our identity. They guide our actions, shape our perspectives, and give us a sense of direction in life. Buddhist teachings emphasize integrity and authenticity. It teaches us to live in harmony with our values and principles, even if it means saying no to things that are not aligned with them. This might mean turning down a job offer that pays well but exploits others, or declining an invitation to an event that supports a cause you don't believe in. Saying no in these situations is not about being difficult or rigid. It's about preserving your inner peace and integrity. Number 3. When it's about compromising your well-being. A few years ago, I found myself constantly saying yes to every request or demand, only to realize that I was compromising my own well-being. Psychologists often talk about the importance of self-care and prioritizing your health, and I couldn't agree more. It's essential to remember that we all have physical, mental, and emotional limits. Overextending ourselves can lead to stress, burnout, and even health problems. If agreeing to a request means losing out on sleep, skipping meals, or neglecting your mental health, the best answer is a firm no. So, from personal experience, I can assure you it's okay, crucial even, to say no when it's about compromising your well-being. Number 4. When it's driven by fear. Fear-based decisions rarely lead to happiness. It's a principle I've learned through my journey with Buddhism, and it's changed the way I approach life. Buddhism teaches us to be present and make decisions based on wisdom and compassion, not fear. If you're saying yes to something out of fear of disappointing others or facing conflict, it's time to reconsider. Remember, it's okay to say no when saying yes is fueled by fear. Stand up for yourself and make choices that reflect your true desires and values. Number 5. When saying yes is the easy way out. Sometimes we say yes not because it's the right thing to do, but because it's the easiest. It can be uncomfortable to say no, to face potential disappointment or conflict. However, taking the easy way out can often lead us down a path that isn't really what we want or need. It may avoid temporary discomfort, but in the long run, it can create more significant issues, resentment, stress, or feeling overwhelmed. Psychologists encourage us to embrace these uncomfortable moments as opportunities for growth. Saying no, even when it's difficult, can be incredibly empowering. So next time you find yourself saying yes because it's the path of least resistance, consider whether a no might be the better choice for your personal growth and well-being. It might be harder in the short term, but Trust me, it's worth it in the long run. Number 6. When it disrupts your inner peace. One of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism is the pursuit of inner peace. It's about finding a sense of calm and balance within oneself, regardless of the external circumstances. There will be times when saying yes can disrupt this inner peace. This could be due to a conflict with your values, an overload of responsibilities, or involvement in toxic situations. In such cases, saying no is not only the best response, but it's also an act of self-love and self-preservation. It's about safeguarding your serenity and protecting your mental and emotional space. Buddhism teaches us that our inner peace is precious and should be preserved at all costs. So if you find yourself in a situation that threatens this peace, remember that it's okay to say no. Number 7. When saying yes feels instantly gratifying. This might surprise you, but sometimes it's best to say no when saying yes feels instantly gratifying. We live in a world where instant gratification is often prioritized. We want to please others, to be liked, and to avoid conflict. Saying yes can often give us an immediate sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. However, it's crucial to look beyond that instant gratification and consider the long-term impact of our choices. Will this commitment lead to stress down the line? Is it aligned with our long-term goals and values? Sometimes, the best answer is no, even if saying yes would give us an immediate boost. It's about making responsible choices that benefit us in the long run, even if they might not feel as satisfying in the moment. So next time you're tempted to say yes for that instant hit of gratification, take a moment to pause and consider if a no might be the better choice for your future self. Number 8. When it impedes your path to enlightenment. In Buddhism, the journey towards enlightenment is a deeply personal one. It's about self-discovery, growth, and realizing your true potential. Sometimes saying yes can divert us from this path. We may get caught up in worldly attachments, desires, or distractions that don't serve our spiritual growth. Buddhist teachings encourage us to be mindful of our choices and their impact on our journey. If a commitment or request doesn't align with your spiritual path or hinders your progress towards enlightenment, it's perfectly okay to say no. Remember, your journey towards enlightenment is yours alone. Don't let unnecessary commitments or distractions veer you off this path. Saying no in such situations isn't just acceptable. It's a testament to your commitment to your personal growth. Conclusion. There you have it. 8 situations where the best answer is often a simple, yet powerful, no. Remember, saying no isn't about being difficult or unkind. It's about respecting your boundaries, values, and personal journey. Dear viewers, 8 situations where saying no is not only okay but the best choice for your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, setting boundaries and prioritizing yourself is crucial for living a balanced and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights on personal growth and psychology. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below. Until next time, stay strong, stay mindful, and remember, sometimes the best answer is no. Take care and see you in the next video.